Okay, this is a short video on how to wire up an EVH 500k pot or potentiometer to an EVH FrankenStein Humbucker. I'm not going to go over the use of solder or the physical taking these things out. I figure if you're watching this video, you already have an idea how to do those things. I couldn't find any videos on how to wire up this style. Again, I was looking for a single humbucker, volume switch, much like Eddie had back in '78. So let's spin this guy around and take a look. All right, cavity's already open. Really quick. You have the pointer. You have your input right here. Input, there's two wires inside here. Those are ground and a hot. Hot gets soldered to lug number 2. The ground goes to the back of the pot. Then we have this big thick guy. That's the humbucker itself. The case is the ground. So the case gets actually soldered right to the back of the pot. The center wire gets right here soldered to lug number 3. Then you have a ground here. This one goes to the back of your bridge. It gets soldered directly to the back of the pot. And here's something I found out messing with this thing. So these can be used, these potentiometers can be used either as a volume switch or a tone knob, depending how they're wired. This is the key here. So for a volume knob, the way this guy's set up, what you gotta do is you gotta take lug number 1. I think this is a 14 or 16 gauge wire. And basically take lug 1 and ground it to the back of the pot in order to make it a functional volume knob. That's it. So let's go through lug 1, 2, and 3. Lug 1 is basically a ground to the back of the pot. Lug number 2, and these are numbered on the front of this thing. Lug number 2 is your hot for your input, grounded to the back of the pot. Lug number 3 is your hot for your humbucker. Again, the humbucker is also grounded to the back of the pot. That's it. Pretty simple. Should take you about 5 minutes or so to solder this guy up, and that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. Thank you.